everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today what we're going to be talking about is the Spaceship Voyager app. Now, this is a micro investing app and it has been booming over the last 3 years, along with Raise, which I know is a micro investing platform as well. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about micro investing, and I'm going to be showing you 2 ways that you can use Spaceship Voyager to invest your money. So the idea behind micro investing, it came around when there were lots of people that were wanting to invest, but they didn't want to take the risk of putting hundreds or thousands of dollars into the stock market, especially with it being so volatile that it is. Creators thought of a way of making it easier for beginners to dip their toes into the stock market to get a bit of a feel for investing and see if it was something that they actually wanted to commit to. So you can actually kind of think of it like the training wheels for investing. So if you wanted to try out and see what the stock market was really like and what it was like to actually be an investor, but without having that commitment to put in so much money into the stock market, micro investing is such a fantastic way of getting the hang of how to actually invest your money. Now, the fantastic thing about micro investing is that it sees higher returns on your money than what you would see when you actually input it into a savings account. Now, there are actually many reasons why people use micro investing, and some I have just named, but the reason why I actually used micro investing is because I wanted to test to see if it was something A, that I could commit to, and B, something that I actually enjoyed doing. And I was tossing up between, Raise, Sharesies, and Spaceship for quite some time, but I did decide on Spaceship just because of the convenience and the ease of use, as well as the fantastic reviews that I had seen so far. Now, in this video, I'm going to be showing you 2 ways to invest in Spaceship. So make sure that you stick around because I'm going to be showing you how to invest in the desktop version. And then after that, I'm going to be showing you how to invest using the mobile app version. All right, so let's jump into how to invest in Spaceship using the desktop. Let's go. Okay, so now that we've jumped onto the desktop, I've just typed into Google. By the way, my cat's going to be staying with me, I think, because she won't leave me alone. So I've just typed into Google Spaceship. You just click sign up and you'll need your full name, date of birth, and just an email address. It might ask for a tax file number as well. However, you can provide that at a later date. It'll take you onto your dashboard, which looks something like this. So my balance in my portfolio at the moment is $201.91. Over the last couple of days, I have lost $9.09. I haven't lost it, but my portfolio has declined by $9.09. It gives you an option to do an investment plan over here to the right. So that's where you can set up payments every week, fortnightly or monthly, and you can choose the limit that you would like. So if you only want to invest $2, you can invest $2 as long as it's more than 0.01 cent. Over on to the right here, it shows you the value of the unit per share or per unit price. So every share or unit price is worth $1.90. So if you invest $1, you're going to get around half of this unit price into your portfolio. You can see here as well that it's actually increased by 35.24%. So that's the app overall, and also your portfolio. So you can see that the overall app or Spaceship, it's actually dropped off quite a fair bit in the last day, week, and month. The thing that's also really awesome about this app is that you can see how it goes, like from a maximum of time. So it's obviously started in 2018 and you can see that it's been slowly increasing. It did have a bit of a drop here, but that was because of coronavirus. So this is the share price. So the original share price was 99 cents and now you can see that 3 years on it's worth $1.90, which I think is really interesting. So if you aren't willing to risk a lot of money, it's good to see how volatile the market actually is. And I think with micro investing platforms, these are a really good way to dip your toes in, see how much money you're happy to lose and how much you're happy to gain as well. So even with the 1 month, you can see that there's still drops even in just 1 month, and then 6 months, a year, and then over 3 years. So down here, you can see that these are my most recent transactions. So this morning I invested $10 and we're going to invest some money as well again today. You can also see that these are the top companies, top best performing companies at the moment. So when you do invest with Spaceship, you don't invest in just one company. You invest in the top 1 to 200 companies that are performing in Australia. So at the moment, the best performing company is Australian Ethical. It's worth $9.20 per share, and it's increased by 83%. And you can see here, Alphabet, Google, whatever that is, that per share or per unit price is $2,979, and that's increased by 31%. Down the bottom here, these are just some blogs, just to keep you informed. I find that Spaceship really does want their investors to be knowledgeable about what they're investing and how they're investing and things that are actually going on in the stock market at the moment. So this one here, it's 10 things to keep in mind when the market goes down. So smart investors know the market can always turn. And I think that that's really good because a lot of investment platforms, they don't really talk about that. They don't give their investors too much knowledge, whereas I find Spaceship really wants you to be kind of up with the current events and times. All right, so let's actually start investing. So you can set up an investment plan. So you just click plan over here. You can do it weekly, fortnightly, monthly. You can have a set amount, so $25, $50, $100. You could, even if you just wanted to do was $2 every single week. There is no minimum apart from the fact that it has to be more than 0.01 cent. Okay, so even if you wanted to invest 10 cents every single week, you can. If you wanted to invest $200 for every week, you can. Just know that once you hit that $5,000 limit, you will have to pay I think it's around 2% brokerage fee. So it's free up until 5,000, and then after 5,000, you will have to start paying brokerage. All right, so let's go to our one-off payment because that's what I do. Every single time I get a referral from UpBank or from Spaceship, I invest that straight back into the platform. And today I'm going to be investing another $10. So I just click one-off and then type $10 down here, and I click add investment. And that's easy. That's what it is. Also, if you are wanting a referral, so if you would like to earn $5 when you sign up, this is my referral code. Please feel free to use it. It costs you nothing, and I get a referral as well. And know that whenever I do get a referral, I put it straight back into my portfolio, as you can see down here. So thank you, Taylor, for using my referral code. I really appreciate it. So that is the dashboard version. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump onto the mobile app version and show you how to invest over on there. All right, so what I've done is I've logged into my app, and this is the dashboard of my account. So you can see that it's still the same, $201.91. And honestly, it works really, really similar to the desktop version. So you've got your dashboard, your portfolio, your account, and then there are just some more options on the side. So that's if you want to refer a friend, if you want to inquire about the super. So this is the portfolio. So this is the tab just down the bottom here. And that's what it looks like. So if I click on this one, this will take me to my portfolio, and it'll tell you the same as what it did before, that the value per unit is $1.90 and that it is increased by 35.24%. Again, with the listed, now the main difference that I've noticed with the desktop and the app version is that on the app, you can see a lot more of the companies that Spaceship invests your money in. And the top performer, and the one that they actually talk about the most, is actually A2 Milk, which is the one at the very top here. But you can see, or hopefully you can see, that there will be some red and some green dots. And the red means that obviously the share portfolio has gone down. So A2 Milk has actually had a dip of 52%, which is quite large. And again, on the app, you can see those dips, the highs, the lows, all that for each of the companies. All right, so let's actually start with investing. So if you wanted to set up a plan on the app, you just click here where it says set up plan, and it's really, really similar to the desktop. It just says set up investment plan. Again, if you want to do it monthly, what does that say? Sorry, weekly, fortnightly, or monthly, and then the value of your investment. So it could be $2, it could be $1, whatever you wish. And then you just press save investment plan, and then every single fortnight or week or whatever it is, Spaceship will do it automatically for you as long as there's money in the account. All right, so let's actually just invest a little bit of money. So at the top here, you should be able to see where there's a dollar symbol. And that's just if you want to start investing. So if you're ready and you want to manually invest, that's the button that you click on. Down here where it says invest, again, you click on the money symbol. And this is when you want to do just a manual investment. So at the top, it'll prompt you if you want to set up an investment plan, but I don't like to do that because every time, like I said, when I get a referral, I put the money straight into here. So where it says make an investment, I'm just going to type in $5. This time I'm going to do $5. And on the app, it actually gives you an ETA when the money is going to be in your account. So here you'll see that it'll be in on the 18th of May. So that would be by Tuesday. And then it gives you a bit of information on how it works. So how it comes into your account, how it leaves your account. And when you're actually on the app too, you can join your bank details. So then it can come directly out of your bank account. So I'm just going to click down the bottom here where it says add investment. And then it'll prompt you to say make an investment, and I'm just going to say invest. And that's what it looks like on your screen. So once you've actually clicked your investment and you're all done, it'll say that it's on its way and that it will arrive into your account on Tuesday, the 18th of May. And then at the top here, you just press the cross, and sometimes it asks you for a rating. I'm just going to say not now. And yeah, it'll just take you back down to your desktop, to your dashboard. I actually prefer the mobile app way than doing it on the desktop. I just find that there's a lot more things that you can play around with on here. You can see the movement of the companies, you can see the volatility of the stock market, you can see how the share price is going a lot easier. And yeah, I just find that it's because I already have it on my phone, I don't have to log on. I just find that this is so much more easier. So there is one thing that a few people don't really talk about, and that is the fact that if you withdraw your money, so if you take your money out of your investment app, whether that be Raise, Perla, Spaceship, Self Wealth, whatever it may be, you still need to declare that at tax time. And once you declare that at tax time, you still actually need to pay capital gain tax on any amounts of money that you have made. So let's say that your investment portfolio earns $10 over that time and you have withdrawn that money. When it comes to tax time, you need to pay tax on those capital gains. So the capital gains of $10, you need to pay tax on that amount. Thank you so much for watching this little video about how to invest on Spaceship. I actually had a lot of fun making this video. Make sure that you click that subscribe button as well, because I will be uploading a video about self-wealth and how to invest on that platform too. Are you a Spaceship member? Are you wanting to invest in micro investing platforms? Is it because you want to kind of dip your toes in before you actually jump fully into the investment world? Make sure that you leave a comment down below, because I am actually really interested. I will see you in a video sometime in the very near future.